Hello friends, in this video we are going to explain why this happened. We can't find the products matching with the selection. So we are going to find out why this happens and why it's not showing the products. Actually it has the products. If we go and see, there is a products over here. So let's find out what exactly the issue is. So let's begin with it. So let me write down the issue that we are talking about. We can't find the products matching selection. So let's start with it. First of all, let me add some more products. Let me search. We have approximately so many products are there. Let me enable and save this. Okay. After that, we need to check the cache or reindexing. These two steps. Let's first go to the system, go to the cache management, flush the cache. If it will work, last step we have to reindex. Now this is done. I have already my reindexing in my system. So let's index management and I will select reindexing, select all data, reindex. It is reindexing. Now we will check whether the product is coming or not. See, the items are coming. So this way we can solve the issue why the products are not coming. Okay, some of the products are not coming, maybe the stock issue, the quantity issue, and the stock is not there. So this might be the issue. So you need to check whether the product is in stock, the price, the quantity is there, and the proper category is assigned. So this way we can check, we can know the issue. So this is the how to solve this issue. First, you need to check the product is there and the product has the quantity or is in stock product. Second, you need to flush the cache. Third, you need to do the re-indexing. These three major steps to check the product is there or not. Also, sometimes what happen when we try to import the products, when we import the products, what happens sometimes we are not we are thinking why this product is not there. We have already added the categories there. The second main issue of that one, what it is, when you go to the products catalog and go to the products, I will explain you. I also find the issue and I am taking so much to get this, get to know what exactly the issue. If I go to click edit, I think my product has some issues, so I will check this part. I think test product is working maybe. Let me check the test product. Simple product. Okay, means that means catalog has some issues on that. For, I will explain you what exactly the issue we can fix it on. Actually, there is the property called the main website. When you edit a product, where we have the variables like main website, store wise, or you need to check whether this main store is selected or not. If it is not selected, then you need to check it should be selected. Then you can check the product is visible or not. That you need to check while importing a products from the Magento admin. That should be checked. Then this issue will never come. You will never going to dig in like why it's not there. So don't go anywhere, any other sites. You just need to follow the three steps. Then you are done. So you never get this issue why this products, why this category has products and it's not showing. So this issue can be resolved by three basic steps. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then hit like, and if you want to ask some questions, you can comment the below how do you like the videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.